Third down and short for the Blue Devils, and Durant gets the call right side. 10-5, touchdown Duke.
Holmberg, Durant, leaps in, loses the ball. Did he cross the plane? Indeed he did. Touchdown Blue Devils.
Hard work is the way to get things, especially coming from a small community like I am. You know, never take anything for granted and just, take advantage of every opportunity.
Durant comes off the tackle. There goes Mataeo Durant. Duke answers. Touchdown, Blue Devils.
A healthy Mataeo, and he hasn't been as healthy since he's been here as he feels now. But I think Mataeo is grown as a football player. He's grown as a person. He's physically better than he's been. And, I may pray that he stays healthy and see what a season can turn out to be like for him.
Durant again, and here's the big run. Spins at the 35 to the 34. Second and short, the cue to Durant. Durant slides through. Mataeo Durant, can they catch him? No. Mataeo Durant puts Duke in front, 52 yards to the house. Mataeo Durant on third down, first down, and more. Mataeo Durant, no one's going to catch him. 60 yards, touchdown Duke. Blue Devils back in front.